Hey everyone, I hope you are all having a great day. Today we are diving into the symptoms of a bad turbocharger. The turbocharger's main purpose is to increase the amount of pressurized air that enters the engine. More air allows the ECM to command more fuel, which results in more power. You'll find the turbocharger located near the exhaust manifold. One of the first signs of a bad turbocharger is a check engine light. A common code related to a malfunctioning turbo is P0299, which indicates turbo underboost. This code gets triggered when the ECM detects a lower than expected boost pressure. To read this code, you can visit your local auto parts store. Many of them will scan your car for free. The second symptoms is poor performance. Since the turbocharger's job is to bring more air into the engine for a proper air-fuel mix, a failing turbo won't be able to do this efficiently. As a result, the ECM won't command more fuel, and your engine will lack power. The third symptoms is blue smoke from the exhaust. This happens because of worn oil seals inside the turbo. When the seals fail, oil leaks past them, enters the intake system, and eventually makes its way into the combustion chamber. There, it burns and creates blue smoke coming out of the exhaust. The fourth symptoms is loss of oil. If you find yourself frequently topping off your engine oil, worn turbo oil seals might be the culprit. Oil loss often goes hand in hand with the blue smoke issue, so keep an eye on your oil levels if you suspect a failing turbo. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.